Yang Taijiquan, Tianjing Liang practice. This is single moving practice. We're going to isolate one movement and repeat it over and over. Let's begin our Neigong, breathing out the Dantian, 4 fingers below the belly button, 4 fingers inside the body. We're going to open our Dantian, breathing naturally and non-forced, letting the belly naturally expand and contract. Rub the hands. Let the Laogong face the Laogong and let your hands naturally open and close. You should feel a type of resistance or magnetic feeling in the hands. If you don't feel that right now, that's okay. In time, you will. Open and close, naturally non-forced. Feel a force between the palms. That's your chi. Touch the thumbs. Raise the hands slightly, bring it in and out. Here's a side view. Coming out and then slightly in and down, sinking the chi to the Dantian. You can slightly bend the knees a little bit. You don't want to lock the knees. Naturally inhale. Now raise the hands and bring it down. You can separate the hands. Breathing is natural and non-forced. Okay, front view. Raise the hands. Exhale. Inhale. And let's go to the repulse monkey. Exhale as you push away. Inhale as you circle the arm. Exhale as you push away. Single movement practice using the Yang style Taijiquan. This actually helps guide the chi up the spine and then out the hand. And brush knee. Watch the rear foot. We're going to do the old Yang style pivot. Pivot on the ball of the foot rather than the heel. Brush knee, push with the palm. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Elbow. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Wave hands like the clouds. Use the semi-squat. We're shifting our horse stance. Shifting to the left side. Shifting the weight to the right side. So you're getting some leg action, some pumping in the legs. Breathing naturally and non-forced. And balance on one leg with rooster on one leg. Slight push with the palm. Same hand, same leg. Knee strike, palm strike. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, single movement. Inhale, exhale. Grasp the bird's tail, ward off. Roll back. Press or squeeze and push. Hold the ball. Step, adjust the back foot, old Yang style. Ward off. Roll back. Press and push. There's a lot of small micro movements in there. Hold the ball. The Chinese is peng. Lu. Ji. Separate the hands. Split and push on. Peng, Lu, Ji, An. And kick with the toe. Kicking to the corner to the toe with the toe. Maintaining your balance. Lift up the knee, toe. Bend the knee, plant the foot down. Shift the weight, toe kick. Put all the weight in the leg, heel kick. This is a front kick. Kicking to the front with the heel. Heel kick. Heel kick. Keep the balance. Fair maiden place shuttles. Be sure to adjust that back foot old Yang style. Like a boxer striking. One hand blocks up or covers, the other hand pushes like a brush knee. Block up and push. We're addressing the corner. Enjoy the movements. Breathe naturally. Double punch. Punching the temples, punching the ears. Double punch to the corner. Double punch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And carry tiger to the mountain and cross hands. We're going to close this way. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Naturally and non-forced. Get that squat in, a nice deep squat. Get your legs exercise. Strengthening the legs. The deep squat. Okay, let's close with some massage. Massage around the belly, around the dantian. Clockwise and counterclockwise. Twisting. Massaging the liver and spleen. Massage down the back of the legs and up the inside. Down the back, up the inside. And massage all the points in the chest. Massage the points in the arms. Slap the armpit. The heart one point is there. Massage the face. Up the front, down the back. Wake up the brain in the front part. The top part, back part, light tapping, massage the neck, and massage down the front, the stomach channel. Release the toxins. And let's go back to our dantian breathing. Now we're going to reverse breathe. We're going to inhale and squeeze in. Exhale, relax. Inhale, squeeze in. Exhale, relax. You can do a slight squeeze on the pelvic floor muscles, almost like a kegel, bringing the Jing Qi to the dantian. Naturally non-force. And do some standing meditation. Jayo.